Good morning, kindergarten friends. Let's take a look at our morning message. Read along with me. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Friday, November 13th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. Tell me the two words that have the same beginning sound. So I'm going to say three words, but only two of them begin with the same sound. All right, here's my first ones. 9, nice, 10. Okay, I'm going to say it one more time. 9, nice, 10. Which two have the same beginning sound? 9 and nice. 10 has the t, and 9 and nice have the n sound. All right, let's take a look at this one. Okay, listen up. Find two words that have the same beginning sound. Tail, mommy, tent. Okay, say it again. Tail, mommy, tent. You're right. Tail, t, t, and tent, t, t, both begin with the t. Mommy. It begins with the and it's the only one. All right, last one. Oh my goodness, look at how I wrote. I need to erase that just a little bit so you can see this. All right, here's my next one. Oops, grab my pen here. Monster, soft, mice. Okay, I'm going to say it again. Monster, soft, nice, mice. Which two begin with the same sound? Monster and mice. Good job, boys and girls. And we'll cross off soft because it begins with a s. Monster and mice begin with a sound. Wonderful. I'm actually going to erase that a little bit now just because you can't see the rest of it okay. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put these sounds together and make a word, okay? We're going to push each sound up and then blend it to make the word. Ready? B-a-n. Ban. Good job. R-a-n. Ran. Good job. S-at. Sat. Sat. All right. M-at. Mat. Good job, boys and girls. All right. And then we're going to take a look at this part. This is I'm going to put my thing up here. All right. Which number is greater? We're looking at two 10 frames. You did this yesterday. I'm going to push this up a little bit. Two 10 frames. Which number or which one is showing a greater amount? Well, we know if a 10 frame is full, it's got 10. And if the top part is full, then that is 5. So let's look here. Let's look at this one first. 5, 6, 7. So that is 7. We're going to put a 7 there. Okay, I'll move it. Maybe I can move it up. All right, and let's take a look at this one. Okay, that's the top of the 10 frame. That would be 5, but it's 1 less. And 1 less than 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's put 4 there. All right, taking a look. 7 and 4. Which number is greater? Yes, you are correct. And you can even tell by looking too. But 7 is greater, so I'm going to circle it. Good job. Love, Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. Wonderful, boys and girls. Okay, let's keep going. Remember, I'm going to push this down here so that you can see everything. We're working on these letters this week. M, S, S, and the letter A. All right, we are counting to 30. You ready, friends? Oh, I got to put my pointer back. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Fabulous. Let's count down. We'll start from 10. Here we go. Oh, let me grab my arrow. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off. Wonderful. Let's keep going. Make sure when we're doing this, boys and girls, that you're doing it with me. All right. Let's make a pattern. All right. Let's do flag, hat, turkey. I don't know if I've done that pattern yet, but that's the one I want to do today. Okay. Remember, ABC pattern is 3 different things repeated over and over and over. So we are repeating flag, hat, turkey. Here we go again. Flag, hat, turkey. Flag, hat, and turkey. There is my ABC pattern. Wonderful. Let's take a look at kindergarten words. Orange, gray, red, blue, the, am, at. Wonderful. Tomorrow, or I'm going to mix those up so they're not in the same order so that you guys can learn them differently in different ways also. So just it's not a memory thing that they're in order, that you just know them by knowing them. All right, for our activities today, we're working on the Q is our letter of the day. We're also doing the M, S, and A, but we're still going through the alphabet. So letter Q, remember there's 5 slides and you know what to do with those. You're doing a great job. This one here, it's counting on for the clouds. That's where you're given a number. So here's the number 3, and then you have to count on by putting the number. So if you have 3, what's after 3? 4, 5, 6, 7. And then there's different slides. I can't remember exactly how many slides there are, but there's different numbers, and so you just keep putting, looking at that first number, and then putting the additional numbers when you're counting forward. I also put a song on today that talks about counting on, and it's kind of a fun one. Here is some practice with our, it's hard to see, I bet. Let's see if I can move that down. We're practicing our sight word am. So it's kind of like an I spy. So you're going to look for the word am, and it's got it in the corner, and sometimes it's capital with the capital A and M, and sometimes it's lowercase. So you have to look and circle them all. And then when you're done, then push the check mark so I can see. All right. Or no, I'm sorry. Before you do that, you need to read them all. So you record yourself. I'm sorry. I want you to record yourself saying all those. So you go am, 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 am. And you're going to do the same thing with the at. All right. You're going to I spy that word at. Sometimes it's capitalized, sometimes it's not. And then record yourself saying that kindergarten word at. And then Miss Lynette from our office is sharing a story with us today. If you give a mouse a cookie. So that will be a fun story for you, boys and girls. All right. And also don't forget today for work on apps, you can do the Starfall app. And then today for Zooms, you have your small group Zooms, and I will be posting links for those this morning also. All right, I can't wait to see you at your Zoom. All right, boys and girls, have a, you know what? I forgot that slide. Have a wonderful day.